So this is Fritzy, guys. Let me just show you its belts. It's like a head, except, the fact that it is belts. Oh, we're actually gonna be surprised because it's covered in crystal sugar. So I'm going to
Hanggang saan naabot ang 20 pesos mo? Panamericano! Short! Hey! What's up?
okay.
For 20 pesos?
I'm gonna have some belts. This is the white one.
And sweet cream. Now in a cone with a chocolate chip. New Cornetto Tiramisu. Sarap magpapili.
That was good.
Nescafe 3-in-1 twin pack.
Let's try the blue one this time.
Mas masarap na. Doble pa. Ang Nescafe 3-in-1 twin pack. Mas masarap na.
See?
Doble pa. Ang Nescafe 3-in-1 twin pack.
There you go. So that was my taste test video for Halloween. Yeah. I hope you liked it and I hope you subscribe. Bye bye.